how to draw the section. You can see the plan of the building. This building has 2 rooms, room 1 and room 2, 2 doors D and D1, 2 windows W and W1, 3 steps to go to the building. The building is drawn to a scale of 1:100. That means 1 centimeter in the plan is equal to 1 meter. Here is the section line AA dash with an arrow mark showing this way. So the building is cut at this line and looking this way, and we are going to draw the section. The first thing you will do is draw a parallel line to that section line AA dash, alright? And then start projecting the lines from the plan. All the section lines need to be projected as well as the elevation lines. I will tell you what it is. A section drawing has section lines and elevation lines. Section lines means the walls or any element of the building that is cut. An elevation line means that which is not cut but it is seen in the section. Okay. Now if we consider this as the ground line, outside the building we will call it the ground line. Okay, and we will mark it as GL. Now this part of the building is inside the building. That is why it is on the plinth level, which is at 0.45. As you know, the plinth level is at 0.45. Okay, that is why we have this line which has to be drawn very dark and then join it to the ground line. Okay, so this part of the building, this part is inside the building and this is on the ground level. This is the plinth level. Alright, now we know the height of the wall to be 3 meters, so we mark that height in the section and we draw the roof line. We know that the roof is cut, and at 3 meter height we will draw a dark line because it's the roof that is cut. And here is the parapet wall, which is not as thick as the wall, but it is half wall. The parapet height is 0.75 and this line is an elevation line. I'll tell you what it means. Now this wall is cut, so it becomes a dark line. Okay, because I have not given a thickness to the roof. The roof thickness is 0.15, as you know, and you can show the details inside the RCC because the wall is cut and it has to be a dark line. Right? Now this is a plinth which is also cut, but the ground line is dark. Okay, and this part also we show the concrete filling. Now this wall is cut, so it becomes a dark line, and this wall is also cut, which is projected from the plan, and it is also a dark line. Now what is an elevation line? Now this is not required, so I will erase it. What is an elevation line in section? Some of the things are not cut in the plan, but they are seen. For example, when we cut this wall, we can see this window, although this window is not cut. This door is cut here, but the window is only seen. When the door is cut, what we do is show 2 lines to a height of the door, that is 2 meters height. Okay, and that's about the door. And these 2 windows are seen in elevation in the section drawing, but they are seen in elevation. So what I will do is project these window lines from the plan, very light lines, and you know the height of the windowsill is 0.75, and you know the height of the lintel is 2 meters. That's why it will be here. So again I mark it on the other side, 0.75, and lintel height is 2 meters, and then you draw the window between those lines. You can draw double lines to show the frame. Right, now those are elevations which are not cut, but they are seen in the section. The same happens with the parapet wall on this side. Here this parapet wall is cut, which is above the wall. The same happens with this parapet wall, but the other side, this side, on this wall the parapet is not cut, and it will be only seen as a light line in elevation. Okay, so those are elevation lines which are not cut in the section, but they are seen from far, so they are called elevation line. Now that's about it. We have the foundation details to be done, and you know how to draw that. It's 0.45 stepped wall foundation, 0.6, 0.75 and 0.9. You have a concrete bed at the bottom. All these details you know. And this is how you show the stone. I have not done it very accurately, but you need to measure and do it properly, okay? That's the concrete bed. And the same foundation needs to be done for these two walls as well. And what we can do is project these lines of foundation and then draw the foundation for these two walls. Now you can see the completed section. Some of the details that were pending has been completed. You can see the cement concrete bed here, 10 centimeters thick. The earth filling and the write-ups, the parapet wall, the RCC roof, the burnt brick masonry, red oxide flooring, cement concrete bed, 0.1 meter thick. That's the plinth level, earth filling, size cement masonry in cement mortar 1:6 and cement concrete bed 1:4:8. So that completes the section drawing, and the plan is here. Section has been drawn along AA dash, and the section is now complete.